Hello everyone, welcome back to the Glamm studio. This is Dixita here, your makeup expert from MyGlamm, and we have our beautiful model Dixita Patel, who is also a blogger. So base makeup is our focus for the day, so stay tuned. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep yourself updated for more such videos.